This is Debbie. She and her husband rescued us from Colorado 2 years ago. They are amazing people who found a way to stuff us into their truck and bring us home.
A good rider's always good.
So of course, I'll let her ride with me through the course. So today's video is going to be the modified obstacle course at the Ohio Jeep Fest this summer. There was a couple times I think if I would have been more passenger before he told me to go passenger, I think I would have been fine, but such is the life. Yes, I did scrape up my rims a lot, but I don't care. I can just take some black spray paint and cover them back up.
Driver. Alright, passenger son. Yep, now driver. Let me know, with a flooded rebel, he's gonna hurt somebody. Alright, you want me to head that way with you? He's heading towards the back. I'll be there. Yeah, you just came back. Yeah, I'm going to take back we got all kinds of four-wheelers and stuff. How's he looking back there? I don't want to get him in the case.
He's okay.
Go hard passenger. If he goes hard passenger, is he okay?
He's up against the concrete. He's not gonna go. He's not gonna go anywhere.
I'm trying to get the back tire.
this was just dirt and had been rather dug out by all the people who had gone before me. If it had not been dug out, I think I would have been okay, but the breakover was just a little too much with the massive holes at the top of these concrete rails. But I figured I'd give it a shot anyway.
I just talked to him. I told him it's 5 miles an hour. He agreed to it, and I told him if we cut it, he could be dealt with.
And now to my arch nemesis, the rock garden. I've yet to make it fully through this 100% on my own. But every year I give it a go anyway. I think right here, if I would have gone one tire width more driver, I would have been just fine. But you can see that rock just rotated underneath my control arm and just lifted that wheel up. Then I've got a second rock underneath the rear control arm. So I was just not going anywhere. Those rocks roll around a little too much. So he pulled me backwards so we could see if I could reposition and try again. This time he brought my tires on top of those same rocks. Didn't really seem to accomplish much with trying to move that rock, but whatever. It's rare to find a spotter who understands exactly how to spot for the KLs. Still able to get through, except for that very first bit. That's been loose for a while. Yeah, that's been loose for a while. It's getting replaced, so I gotta fix that again though.
Poor Pats aren't there anymore.
So this is where the damage is gonna be. Right there. Smash that real good. Muffer's hot. Pay attention. And I got my diff a bit. Right there. But I'll say not too hateful. Rocks conquered. Still not quite all 100% my own. I still had to get pulled a little bit, but all forward progress was good. So that was fun. And a little bit of body work, a little bit of things to replace and work on, but it was fun. So apparently I did a little more damage than I thought assessing this, and yeah, those hits on the rock rail a little harder than I thought, because 1, 2, 3, and 4 of my bolts have snapped, and they're now no longer there. So no more playing on the rocks for me this weekend, as much as it pains me, because if I hit too much more on that rail, it's probably gonna come off. So yay. These were not grade 8 bolts. They were cheap bolts that I got from the local hardware store to quickly repair the rail after I'd almost pulled it off on the Daniel Boone backcountry byway. So I'm not entirely surprised that they failed. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be planning a Trailhawk ride in October at some point to do the Bear Wallow Badge of Honor Trail. So keep an eye out for that. Until next time, guys, keep on jeeping.